In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your voice in Elevenlabs. We will go through the full process of creating a voice clone, saving it, and then using it for text-to-speech. If you are new to Elevenlabs, don't worry. I will keep everything simple and easy to follow, so you can set this up smoothly. Start by logging into your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once you are inside, look at the left sidebar and click on the Voices tab. From there, select the Create icon with the plus symbol to begin adding a new voice. At this stage, you will choose your cloning method. Elevenlabs gives you two main options. The first is Instant Voice Clone, often called IVC. This option requires between 1 and 5 minutes of clean audio and is the fastest way to get started. It's a good choice if you want quick results and already have a clear recording ready. Keep in mind that this feature is available on paid plans. The second option is Professional Voice Clone, or PVC. This method needs much more audio. Usually between 30 minutes and 3 hours of high quality and varied recordings. The advantage here is that it captures more detail, including emotional range, speaking style, and accent, which can lead to more realistic results. This option is also available on paid plans. After choosing the method that fits your needs, upload your audio files. Make sure the files contain spoken speech only and not singing. Clean recordings generally work best, so it helps if the audio is clear and free from background noise. Next, Elevenlabs will ask you to verify that you have the rights to clone the voice. To do that, you will record a short text snippet directly in the interface. This is an important part of the process because it confirms permission and helps keep voice cloning secure and responsible. Once verification is complete, give your new voice a name and add a description. This makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple voices. Then save it. Now, go back to the Voices section and click on My Voices. Here, you will see your newly created voice listed and ready to use. To generate speech with it, click on Text-to-Speech from the left side. Then paste or type your script into the text box. On the right side, go to the Settings area. Select Voices and search for your newly created voice. Once you find it, select it. Finally, click Generate Speech to hear your script spoken in your cloned voice. That's it. Thanks for watching.